at my beautiful record, number 120, low angle block plane. Now, in the previous video, I did this restoration of this little block plane. I also made a little video of wood turning of the cherry knob up. And it's turned out really nice. It's a really nice tool to use. Now, I was going to paint it all up, but I've decided against it. All I've done was literally attack it with a wire wheel in the bench grinder and a bit of Dremel work as well, and then just give it a coat of lacquer. And I actually really like the look. But also, what's more important, I like how it is to use. It's actually a really nice tool, producing lovely little shavings. Ideal for end grain too. Toodaloo.